Richard, I see. Adi Edimpa we are say. I say will convince you be a manager at the Beatum.
Sure. Edimpa.
And branding of your league, you know, it's go beyond teams, FA, players, because and Kanipa a bit media my league in my supporters no. Convincing a supporter Sunday. With your DSTV, that's a crabby use Nigeria. Ebia Mantando said this. Obenya Premier Leagues from Anapa 11:30 to Enyumre Ashe. Say Omra Park in met you 30-40 Ghana. And measure 2 hours game. And easy. Abrasa 30 Ghana no obetim the part of the money. I pick it B and I be it go beyond. See, I was going through football psychology and football science. And I miss you and they say, I think Quentin Ama your football no. Fans need to be patronizing. And some of the reasons I had was the fact that yes, poor mother experience. Obiba Park and Niamo Behu Yenya officiating sometimes how enkoye Ubenya safety na enkoye bibli. But 2 things are standing out. Stars are or place a yombe brandy. Any competition album. And these are 2 of the major things are Emma supporters.
And the password reasons are concerned. Previously.
Yes.
The issue of security. Now I'm focused stadium I bomb.
Yes.
Ebia sabe na social media nya vibrant.
Yes. Nesi
but
yes.
Because na enye to send an internet bi a unti report.
Yes.
No.
Yes, no.
Obeko stadium no. Sa na ma bosu nyina na oba still na man focus stadium.
The issue is the fact that Richard, 1, I've always want to argue with people na sometimes omoka send ye league in stars. Ye dia ya betuni. Sa comparison me kwade yentimi nyo. Ye dia ye woni o. Sisi as oko Spain now for penyin bi a wedi 90 years. Now the net transfer come out da sema. Di obebo no. Boy we have Vinny me for the boot nko training grounds.
It's true.
But ye ne Vinny ye won so that ye dia ya betuni. So posterity will come and they will even condone and pamper their own. So we need Oko amano na say la me yama bobo young no ya dia. Yinya Joe Hiberta. Obole gini boni e wo Chelsea. Baba Kotoko he's still delivering. I will say your son so because ne yenye ni. Na hindu amoni ade ye ntimi nya place o moti so mo. Sa na akọ Morocco na mo so mbo 10 times nko for mo bo mo liga. So 1, we need to tell the supporters of Mutifie say if you are talking about talent, ye ntimi nko fa sa din weni mba league ni mbiem. Yes. We must condone and pamper these guys. I was saying, "Boy, Mambaso." Me time another time, Bekum Chelsea Jinaso. Sunday say, "Bo, your poor so you be Jenia Kopa because Obenya Sowa, Kolote." The list goes on and on and on.
So team Kopa Africa is super.
But next me diminu akitwa ne kono ko hua man kono money ade a Zakaria mo. Na ni agene ya wabatuni. And I don't want to even start the argument say we mo nyade. No. So the supporters should understand. And yes, I GF this is kabe room ye be trying to say they are having that mindset talent in Mubwa. Bet players. There be any place or moko Black Stars from your league kobo. Our league goalkeeper call World Cup could deliver your be open beam. We must accept this fact. And on our teams in our so it will go beyond the teams too. The competition level. And the reason why I make us say put teams in the say we must change the strategy. Maybe the brand league, because 1. Yesterday I was in the studios live. And another background bar bekache and say or support Kotoko. And she's willing say kobe puli clouds ama Kotoko but only official yibia. Marketing now go beyond billboards I see in Niema. See our numbers, social media, especially TikTok and Facebook. We've seen people they have their numbers. Our big brands are running to them to run ads. First now you need fee, you know. Say be also be adverts for big companies of which I don't want to mention names. Okay, a certain class of people be. But ne yetime go out to TikTok or be or sebi baby brekum your friends because you have the numbers. So you bet me and say Kotoko best start league. Hana ye wono ye won ko for say ye bobo wi a omutime camera de neighbors asem on TikTok e ma numbers ne kosoro ye for mum na no mum meton league no because they have the following. Nti wo a wotifi a wo so you have to accept the fact say ye dia ye woni nti players na hu da ro na ye bo you must accept that fact. You be say people 20 na support no tifi no anya the taste for the foreign goods say Premier League ni papa chenwe say na fee kan no ye the way to no abehwa enye ye ye bebo kanagu.
So me see onum de am no ya adwe hwe your call World Cup from 2006 at about 2010 look at the quality of Black Stars are assembled ubet with that to 20
Debbie
difference in a but the poempo. That time no muntari the Kevin yenyo mu bi
yentimi nyom
and I calibrate money and the end
ba Kudus Muhammad
and until yenjam black
and two Kudus Muhammad the talent be na as a moja man Andrew ba ye ko World Cup ba ko nyoma ye boma Kudus Muhammad nti obi e pe Kudus Muhammad ahwe no even just this World Cup share the vibe asari chibo ba ko a na ye de chance Ghana share 3 goals. It's evident asari chibo ba ko pe. So we must accept the fact say ye dia ye woni adwuma ye ne then times na body bi chewa ye meso ba ye dia ya betuni ye hu fi ye hu ye dia ya betuni. So there's marketing strategy na was say sesa no e was say ye fan kofo a I think the news never nye de ya sema nyu ba ko e was say ye pen kofo a ye be you so mo ne different level different branding style say na be ye be ma league ne mo ye de and two nti sa sem say any talent na ye bobodi na ye compare we should convince the people and na magana for na sem na ye din to the extent say also ba pa ka stars but sa team na stars no team league ni boje onya sa stars na open bi we mu aye betimi make your stars san ko for na bo mu di na bi mu na make your mo. So we should accept that fact. So Black Stars, then time 2006 squad the koi and the last World Cup in Yepe, but still people were supporting Black Stars. So that is one. Then two, your marketing strategy, no, yes, you basic billboards, but you who say you want cophobia, they have the numbers, they speak, people listen. Nana Mama Brown Kabi said she's willing to work for Kotoko. You force uncle for some of them are not even interested in football. You pull your mom. Then three, the teams. Uncle Sanso started on Munyo Mujuma. Kasama Yekin, Ghanaian players. You say how almost social media crying vibrant. They should start hiring people over night. These are some of the ways I bet me I'm a league nine. And yes, sir, sitting on studios, you have videos at all, you post flyers, convincing a person on notify when you be BD every Chelsea and Liverpool game. No, and yes, is how we might use different mitigation factors to push the league.
That's a Kingsman Kalaala and Martin in Kano and Kumo Yenu, ever to us at the Amam.